As a major manufacturing hub, Ningbo integrates green development into the entire process of its industrial economy, has cultivated a number of China's first green benchmark projects as well as world-leading ones.
OSDA Solar, deeply engaged in the green energy market with products sold to over 150 countries worldwide, is accelerating its transformation towards deep overseas industrial presence by leveraging the SCO Forum on Green and Sustainable Development.
Held right here in Ningbo, this forum is both an honor and an opportunity for us. As a world-leading smart energy solutions provider, we have projects in SCO members, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Beyond product sales, we will shift from export trade to deep industrial localization in SCO countries, building production bases, training local talent, and fully integrating into local ecosystems. As a Ningbo enterprise, we will bring Ningbo's manufacturing strengths and green solutions to the wider SCO market. Practice the Shanghai spirit through action. Contribute to a clean, beautiful world.
To date, 8,353 manufacturing enterprises in Ningbo have completed green and low-carbon transformation. The industrial structure has shifted significantly from secondary-tertiary-primary to tertiary-secondary-primary.